with COVID I was grounded and didn't have any work, and I made decisions that I wanted to go back and study. So I returned to Auckland and studied nursing, so I'm a nurse now. And so yeah, I work up in Grey at Teniko Hospital there. It's a hard job. It's hard in the sense that there's like always the intellectual element of like what's going on and what's changing and what do people need and what does everyone need. There's a lot of bells and sounds and all the things going on. So it's tiring, but I like people and I like caring for people, and so it feels like a very good fit for me. I think my whole hope and focus is that I can just like focus on doing my job really well and building more good relationships in this community, and building more of a friendship base. It's been a few years of like study and then settling into like a whole bunch of change for me, where it's felt like quite like turbulent and like fun and exciting but stressful, and so now I'm just feel like I'm just coming into a place where I can find balance again and like come back to not just like focusing on like surviving and needing to like constantly be looking at textbooks or trying to like navigate new spaces and just like try to settle into like a known space, and yeah, I guess find familiarity in those new spaces and feel like further grounded in it, and be able to like come back to like fully appreciating all those pieces, like fully, like in a more present way, instead of just being a little bit like a headless chicken at times.